I'm so happy finally can make my own noodles. I love noodles. Maybe it's because my mother always gave me instant noodles for breakfast in my teen years. Noodles is my go-to comfort food and medicine. Noodles makes me happy and grounded. I can eat noodles almost every day. This is my last video before I go to Bali. I love Bandung, but Bandung has served me very well, and it's time for me to go. Usually, people move because they don't like where they are, but I've learned my lesson that in order to start something new and to relocate, I need to end this journey with grace, love, and peace. Human needs to grow and expand themselves when it's time to go. This is how we evolve, by flowing with ease with the end and the beginning. The beginning is sometimes scary because of the unknown. I also have fear. A lot of fear is rising up every time we want to embark a new journey. Embracing changes is the only way to live a fulfilled life. Change is the only constant. Nothing is ever the same. This is the natural law of the universe. Fear is balancing us and forces us to go inward and observe our own self. Before we embark on a new journey, we must squeeze all the juice from our previous life so that we don't carry the pain and the shadow into our new path or destination. Otherwise, we are just living the same scenario in a different location or with a different partner. We need to be conscious and aware of our own blind spots. The end and the beginning is on the same frequency. To start something new, we need to end it first. To create our new self, we must lose ourselves first. I leave Bandung with joy and contentment, and therefore, I've graduated from my old self and going into the unknown in Bali. How do I know if this is the right path? Well, I know and I don't know. I know that we are always on the right path. I don't know, but I know. Whatever we are doing in this now, it is always the thing that we need, especially if it doesn't feel good, because it is the lesson. If we don't have the courage to face our fear, we will always be the prisoner of our mind, and therefore no expansion and no growth. Life is about taking risks. If we don't, then the risks are more damaging than really take the risk itself, which will lead into something new. Taking risk is not always something big. It can be as simple as taking a different route to work, or for the first time, say the truth to your spouse. Fear is the greatest resistance to humanity. We fear almost everything in our life, especially during this pandemic. Fear is not bad at all. Fear keeps us safe from dangerous things. We need to be friends with fear so it doesn't hinder us from the growth that needs to happen. I plan to drive alone from West Java to Bali. I want to do it just because I'm afraid. Sometimes when we are afraid, this is the signal that we have to do it. I know that I will be safe and I am always protected. When we are deeply connected into our own soul, there will be less fear. I guess my courage comes from the faith and trust that I have cultivated inside. Everything is vibrational. Everything is energy. So my advice to you is do something that is uncomfortable today. Anything that makes you agitated, because it is a good mental challenge. Everything is like a muscle that we need to train little by little. By training yourself to be comfortable with the discomfort, you are on the brink of something really good. By doing that, you already end a cycle and in the same time, birthing a new sense of self that is stronger and brave. Start with simple things and give yourself a pat on the back. This noodle is perfect. It is springy and chewy, and I'm so proud of myself for making this noodle. Pure satisfaction. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to support me. Bye.